Are you ready to unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence and machine learning? In today's video, where we'll explore the most popular AI and ML services offered by Google Cloud Platform or GCP, whether you're building custom models, automating workflows, or scaling AI solutions, GCP has something for you. Let's start with Vertex AI, Google Cloud's unified AI platform. It provides everything you need to build, deploy, and scale machine learning models. With built-in tools like managed Jupyter notebooks and AutoML, Vertex AI makes it easy to create custom models with minimal coding, perfect for predictive analytics, recommendation systems, and more. Next up is AutoML, which empowers users to train and deploy custom machine learning models without deep technical expertise. From image classification with AutoML Vision to text analysis with AutoML Natural Language and even predictive analytics with AutoML Tables, AutoML simplifies AI development. Want to build ML models using SQL? BigQuery ML allows data analysts and scientists to develop and deploy models directly within BigQuery. It's great for real-time business intelligence, customer segmentation, and time series forecasting. GCP also offers a suite of pre-trained AI APIs for rapid integration. The Cloud Vision API handles image recognition and OCR. Cloud Natural Language API powers sentiment analysis and entity recognition. For voice applications, the Cloud Speech-to-Text and Text-to-Speech APIs deliver seamless audio-to-text and text-to-audio conversions. Developers working on deep learning will love TensorFlow on GCP. This managed infrastructure lets you train and deploy TensorFlow models at scale, with enterprise-grade support through TensorFlow Enterprise. For high-performance ML workloads, GCP offers AI platform training with support for GPUs and TPUs. Pair it with Dataflow for real-time data processing and seamless integration into your ML pipelines. Building conversational AI, Dialogflow CX provides advanced tools to design chatbots and virtual agents with contextual responses. It's ideal for customer service, e-commerce, and healthcare. Leverage AI for business intelligence with Looker and Data Studio. These tools integrate ML-driven insights directly into dashboards and reports, helping you make data-driven decisions faster. From custom models to pre-trained APIs, Google Cloud Platform offers a comprehensive suite of AI and ML services for every business need. Ready to innovate? Dive into GCP today and transform your ideas into reality. Visit ijobtech.com for AI integration and workforce optimization service. Visit aicareerguru.com for AI-powered career mentoring program. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite GCP service. See you in the next video.